Hi YouTube. Today is Monday, November 16. Like my new shirt? Oh, why not? Alright, today I'm going to show you two new Zippos available at dmknifeshop.com. First one, it's called Leave Me Alone. Spider web with a big spider and a little spider on a black chrome finish. Retails for $31.95. You can have it for $20. Includes shipping to any state in the U.S. International shipping is available. Alright, second one is Zippo Motorsports. Red finish. It's like a painted finish. It's not, it doesn't show fingerprints. Brand new. Very cool. If you like racing, NASCAR, that sort of thing, and Zippos, that's the Zippo for you. This one is $20.25. Also includes shipping to any state. Have three other Zippos still in stock from my first batch. This is street chrome. Very cool. It's my favorite finish. If it gets scratched, you'll never know. This is the Zippo pipe lighter. Brushed steel finish. And gold dust. It's a street chrome but gold colored. Stand by. Okay. Also on the Zippo page, this is not a Zippo, but it is a peanut lighter. Excellent, easy to carry keychain or necklace. Survival lighter. The top unscrews. There's a little lighter inside. Takes Zippo flints, Zippo wicks, Zippo fuel. Very cool little lighter. This is a demo model. It's been used. You can own it for $7. It looks new, but it has been lit. Yeah. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.